So I've asked myself a lot of questions in the last 8 months, man. I can tell you that. And I'm still asking myself a lot of questions. And I've been conferring with a lot of people, because I had lots of people who were helping me negotiate whatever the hell this is that's happening. And you know, I could ask them how I was doing, and they would tell me a bunch of things I was doing wrong and some things I was doing right, and I could listen to them. And I was asking questions all the time about how the hell I should manage this properly. And you know, what I was trying to do, and what seemed to serve me properly, was to figure out how to do it correctly. That was the issue. It's like, I didn't really care what happened, and I guess I really don't care what happens, but I do care if I do it correctly, because I don't want to screw it up. I don't want to screw things up. And that seems to be a reasonable goal for people. I mean, wouldn't you like that as a goal, that you don't screw things up? Because you can't control you know, your life isn't fully under your control by any stretch of the imagination, but it might be nice to not have your conscience eating at you saying, look, you know, you had a big opportunity there, and you mucked it up because you're weak and blind, and you didn't listen. That's no good. The catastrophe is bad enough, as I said, without you being the bloody source of it. And so, well, that's Abram falling on his face, I guess, and also communing with God. It's like, he wants to get it right. He wants to get it right. And there's these things that beckon and promise, but it's bloody easy to make a catastrophic mistake, and you'll do that in your life, you know. And maybe humility is one of the things that can prevent that, because you can look and you can think, okay, what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? What can I do better? How can I do this properly? And then maybe, you know, you get the intimation of the proper way to move forward, and maybe that's what protects you when things are chaotic and in strife. And who knows what that's worth?